It is just charming how people boast about qualities beyond their control. For instance, I'm better than you because I have many estates while you are practically starving. Or, I'm a consul, I'm a governor, or I have fine curly hair. One horse doesn't say to another, I'm better than you because I have lots of hay and barley. My reins are of gold and my saddle is embroidered. But rather it might say, I'm better than you because I'm faster than you. Every animal is judged better or worse based on its particular virtue or defect. Is a man the only creature lacking a virtue that we have to take into account his hair, his clothes, or his ancestry?